Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube video. This is Tutor Positivity. In today's YouTube video, we're going to handle set theory, a certain simple question in Mathematics 1110. And the question reads, express each of the following in its simplest form. So we have got some simple questions. They cannot be simple if at all you don't understand the rules, but if you know the rules, yeah, very simple. Let's dive deep into them. In case of any questions, you're free to ask. All right, so for question A, sorry for that. For question A, we know that they're saying we've got P complement union open brackets, that is Q, this is a relative complement, R, these brackets, then complement. So they want us to simplify this. There's a rule which says that the complementary rule tells us to say, if you've got maybe P complement in brackets like that, then complement outside, realize, say, complement and complement cancels and you're going to remain with P. So that's the reason why when we distribute this complement throughout, let's see what happens. So if we say complement and complement, we are going to remain with P. And the other rule says each time we have got a union of set complement, the answer is intersection. Intersection of set complement, we've got a union. These are the simple rules that you're supposed to pay attention to for you to handle this question. So implying that this complement, when distributed to this union here, is going to give us intersection. Then we go, this complement with everything in the brackets, let's just pull it out so that we follow the steps. That's going to give us Q minus R, close brackets, and the complement comes there. Yeah, so then we move forward. Since we have already opened up this side, we're just going to bring down P, intersection, then open brackets. If that is complement in the Q, we're going to find that we are going to have Q complement. Complement when it distributed to the relative complement. So in short, before we do that, I think I made a mistake here. Let me first simplify things in the brackets before handling that part. Yeah, so it's going to be P intersection open brackets. So this is going to be Q. So each time I've got a relative complement followed by a letter, this is as good as having intersection. The relative complement is going to give us intersection, then a complement in front of the letter that was preceding the letter. So we're going to have intersection, then R complement. I think that's when we are free to distribute. That is P intersection open, that is Q complement, that is Q complement, that is union R, like that. When you look at this, there is no similarity between the sets that are in here and there. So we can just end here. Just want